Dear students, in this video, I'll explain you Newton's divided difference formula or Newton's general interpolation formula. Okay, this is one of the interpolation formula, and interpolation is the process of finding the value of the unknown function for some value of x. The values of x may be at equal intervals, they may not be at equal intervals. When the values of x are at equal intervals, we are using the Newton's forward or backward interpolation formula. When the values of x are at unequal lengths or not at equal intervals, then we are using the Newton's divided difference formula or Newton's general interpolation formula. And it states that if f of x naught, f of x1 dot dot dot, f of xn be a set of values of an unknown function y is equal to f of x corresponding to the values of x at x naught, x1 dot dot dot, xn at unequal intervals, then the value of the function for any x is approximately given by y is equal to f of x is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into f of x naught comma x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 plus dot 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 x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 dot 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 x minus of xn minus 1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma dot 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 xn. F of x naught comma x1 is the leading first order divided difference. F of x naught x1 x2 is the leading second order divided difference. F of x naught x1 dot 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 xn is the leading nth order divided difference. Okay. Now we will see few problems on this. Okay. This is the December 19, January 20 question paper problem. Find f of 9 from the data by Newton's divided difference formula. The values of x are 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Look at this. 7 minus 5 is 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. They are at unequal lengths. They are not at equal intervals. These are the corresponding values of the function. Okay. The values of x are at unequal lengths means we need to use the Newton's divided difference formula. First, we will find the Newton's divided differences. For that, x values, particularly you need to choose like this: x naught 5, x1 7, x2 11, x3 13, x4 17. Corresponding values of the function: f of x naught 150, f of x1 392, f of x2 1452, f of x3 2366, f of x4 5202. First order divided differences. F of x naught comma x1, that is equal to f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught. 392 minus 150 divided by 7 minus 5. That comes out as 121. First order divided difference at x1 comma x2. It is f of x1 comma x2 is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. 1452 minus 392 divided by 11 minus 7. It comes out as 265. First order divided difference at x2 comma x3 is f of x2 comma x3. It is defined as f of x3 minus f of x2 divided by x3 minus x2. 2366 minus 1452 divided by 13 minus 11 comes out as 457. Now, first order divided difference of the function at x3 comma x4 is f of x3 comma x4, that is equal to f of x4 minus f of x3 divided by x4 minus x3. 5202 minus 2366 divided by 17 minus 13 comes out as 709. Second order divided differences. F of x0 comma x1 comma x2 is equal to f of x1 comma x2 minus f of x0 comma x1 divided by x2 minus x0. Last value minus the first value. 265 minus 121 divided by 11 minus 5 comes out as 24. Second order differences at x1, x2, x3 is f of x1 comma x2 comma x3, that is equal to f of x2 comma x3 minus f of x1 comma x2. Okay, 457 minus 265 divided by x3 minus x1, 13 minus 7 comes out as 32. Second order divided difference at f of x2 comma x3 comma x4 equal to f of x3 comma x4 minus f of x2 comma x3. Okay, 709 minus 457 divided by 17 minus 11 comes out as 42. Third order divided differences. F of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 is equal to f of x1 x2 x3 minus f of x1 comma x1 comma x2. 32 minus 24 divided by x3 minus x0. 13 minus 5 comes out as 1. Third order divided difference at f of x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4 is equal to f of x2 x3 x4 minus f of x1 x2 x3. 42 minus 32 divided by x4 minus x1. Okay, x4 minus x1 is 17 minus 7 comes out as 1. Look at this. Third order divided differences are equal to 1. Again, if I find the fourth order divided differences, definitely it comes out as 0. No need to find. Okay. And from the table, f of x0 comma x1 is 121, f of x0 x1 x2 is 24, f of x0 x1 x2 x3 equal to 1. These are the leading divided differences, first entries. And Newton's divided difference formula is f of x is equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0 comma x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x0 x1 x2 x3. Okay, perfectly if you find the divided differences and if you know the formula, it is very easy to do the problems. Okay, substitute the values. F of x0 150 plus, we need to find the value of the function at x is equal to 9. Okay, x is 9, x0 is 5. 9 minus 5 into f of x0 x1 is 121 plus 9 minus 5 into 9 minus 7. Okay, x1 is 7 into f of x0 x1 x2 is 24 plus 9 minus 5 into 9 minus 7 into 9 minus 11. x2 is 11 into f of x0 x1 x2 is x3 is 1. Simplify it term by term. 150 plus 9 minus 5, 4 into 121, 484. 9 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 7, 2 into 24. 4 into 2 into 24 is 192 plus 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 11 minus 2 into 1. Okay, 4 into 2 into minus 2 into 1 is minus 16. It comes out as 810. Okay, next problem. Given U20 is equal to 24.37, U22 is equal to 49.28, U29 is equal to 162.86, U32 is equal to 240.5. Find U28 by Newton's divided difference formula. Okay, here the x values are 20, 22, 29, 32. Okay, and the corresponding values of the function are 24.37, 49.28, 162.86, 240.5. The values of x definitely are at unequal lengths. 22 minus 20 is 2, but 29 minus 22 is 7. They are at unequal intervals. First we'll form the divided difference table. Okay, x values x0 20, x1 22, x2 29, x3 32. F of x0 24.37, f of x1 49.28, f of x2 162.86, f of x3 240.5. First order divided differences. F of x0 comma x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x0 divided by x1 minus x0. 49.28 minus 24.37 divided by 22 minus 20 comes out as 12.455. f of x1 comma x2 is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. It comes out as 16.226. f of x2 comma x3 is equal to f of x3 minus f of x2 divided by x3 minus x2. It comes out as 25.88. Second order divided differences. f of x0, x1, x2 is equal to f of x1 comma x2 minus f of x0 comma x1 divided by x2 minus x0. 16.226 minus 12.455 divided by 29 minus 20 comes out as 0.419. Okay. Again, f of x1, x2, x3 is f of x2, x3 minus f of x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x1. Substitute the values, simplify it, 0.9654. Third order divided differences. f of x0, x1, x2, x3 that is equal to f of x1, x2, x3 minus f of x0, x1, x2 minus divided by x3 minus x0. Last value minus the first value. Okay. 0.9654 minus 0.419 divided by 32 minus 20 comes out as 0.0455. Okay. Only one term is there that completes the divided differences. Newton's divided difference formula is f of x is equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0 comma x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3. Okay, x is 28, f of x0 is 24.37, x is 28 minus 20, x0 is 20 into f of x0, x1 is 12.455 plus 28 minus 20 is 8 plus 28 minus x1 is 22 into f of x0, x1, x2 is 0.419 plus 28 minus 20 is 8, 28 minus 22 is 6 into 28 minus okay x2 is 29, 28 minus 29 is minus 1 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3 is 0.0455. Okay, simplify it. It comes out as 141.938. Next problem. Construct the interpolation polynomial for the data given below using Newton's general interpolation formula for divided differences. Okay, here we need to find out the polynomial satisfying the given data by using Newton's general interpolation formula. Okay, first we'll form the divided difference table. X values are x0 2, x1 4, x2 5, x3 6, x4 8, x5 10. Corresponding functional values. f of x0 10, f of x1 96, f of x2 196, f of x3 350, f of x4 868, f of x5 1746. First order divided differences. f of x0 x1 is f of x1 minus f of x0 divided by x1 minus x0. 96 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 2 43. f of x1 x2 is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. 196 minus 96 divided by 5 minus 4 100 equal to 100. f of x2 comma x3 is equal to f of x3 minus f of x2 divided by x3 minus x2. Okay. 350 minus 196 divided by 6 minus 5 equal to 154. f of x3 comma x4 is equal to f of x4 minus f of x3 divided by x4 minus x3. Okay, 868 minus 350 divided by 8 minus 6. On simplification, 259. f of x4 comma x5 is equal to f of x5 minus f of x4 divided by x5 minus x4. 1746 minus 868 divided by 8 minus 10 minus 8. That's equal to 439. Now, second order divided differences. f of x0, x1, x2. That is equal to f of x1 comma x2 minus f of x0 comma x1 divided by x2 minus x0. 100 minus 43 divided by 5 minus 2. That is equal to 19. f of x1, x2, x3 is equal to f of x2, x3 minus f of x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x1. 154 minus 100 divided by 6 minus 4 equal to 27. f of x2, x3, x4 is equal to f of x3, x4 minus f of x2, x3 divided by x4 minus x2. Okay, 259 minus 154 divided by 8 minus 5, that is equal to 35. f of x3, x4, x5 is equal to f of x4, x5 minus f of x3, x4 divided by x5 minus x3. 439 minus 259 divided by 10 minus 6, that is equal to 45. Third order divided differences. f of x0, x1, x2, x3 is equal to f of x1, x2, x3 minus f of x0, x1, x2. That is equal to 27 minus 19 divided by x3 minus x0. 6 minus 2. That's equal to 2. f of x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to f of x2, x3, x4 minus f of x1, x2, x3 divided by x4 minus x1. 35 minus 27 divided by 8 minus 4 equals to 2. f of x2, x3, x4, x5 divided by, so that is equal to f of x2, x3, x4, x5 minus f of x2, x3, x4 divided by x5 minus x2. 45 minus 35 divided by 10 minus 5, that's equal to 2. Okay. All the third order differences are same methods. If I find the fourth order divided differences, definitely that's equal to 0. No need to find. Newton's divided difference formula is f of x is equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0, x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0, x1, x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3. Okay. Substitute the values. f of x0 10. X retain as it is because here we are finding the polynomial in terms of x only. X minus x0 is 2 into leading first ordered divided difference is 43 plus x minus 2 into x minus 4 into f of x0, x1, x2 is 19 plus x minus 2 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3 is 2 tests. These are the x0, x1, x2 values. 10. We'll multiply this. 43x minus 43 into 2 is 86 plus 19 into, first I'll multiply these two terms. X square minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x it is. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. Okay. Plus I multiplied these two. 2x minus 2 to the 4 into, again x minus 4 into x minus 5 is x square minus 9x plus 20. 10 plus 43x minus 86 plus 19x square minus 19 6 are 114x plus 19 8s are 152 plus 2x cube minus 2 9s are 18x square plus 22s are 40x minus 4x square plus 4 9s are 36x minus 80. Okay. Simplify the terms. Only x cube term is only 2x cube. Write the term as it is. 2x cube. 19x square minus 18x square. Okay. Minus 4x square. That comes out as minus 3x square. 43x minus 114x plus 40x plus 36x comes out as 5x. 10 minus 86 plus 152 minus 80, this comes out as minus 4. This is the required polynomial satisfying the given data. If you want, you can verify it. Okay. Substitute first value of x, x0 is equal to 2 here. If I substitute x is equal to 2, 2 cube 8, 8 2s are 16 minus 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 plus 5 2s are 10 minus 4. Definitely on simplification it comes out as 10 it is. Next problem. Determine f of x as a polynomial in x for the following data. Okay. Exactly similar to the previous problem. Once again here we need to find the polynomial satisfying the given data. x0 is equal to minus 4, x1 is equal to minus 1, x2 0, x3 2, x4 5. Corresponding functional values. f of x0 1245, f of x1 33, f of x2 5, f of x3 9, f of x4 1335. First order divided differences. f of x0, x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x0 divided by x1 minus x0. Substitute 33 minus 1245 divided by minus 1 minus of minus plus 4 it is. Okay. It is minus 1 plus 4 is minus 3. 33 minus 1245 is, okay, it's wrong, it is actually, it is comes out as plus it is, right, okay. There's a mistake in this one, okay. You compute that problem it is, okay. There is a mistake in divided difference itself it is, okay. Using Newton's divided difference formula, evaluate f of 8 and f of 15 from the table. Okay. x0 4, x1 5, x2 7, x3 10, x4 11, x5 13. Okay. And corresponding functional values, f of x0 48, f of x1 100, f of x2 294, f of x3 900, f of x4 1210, f of x5 2028. First order divided differences. F of x0, x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x0 divided by x1 minus x0. 100 minus 48 divided by 5 minus 4, that is equal to 52. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1. 100 minus 48 is 52. Divided by 1 is equal to 52. F of x1, x2 is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, 294 minus 100, 194 divided by 7 minus 5. 2. Okay, it comes out as 97. F of x2, x3 is equal to f of x3 minus f of x2 divided by x3 minus x2, 202. F of x3, x4 is equal to f of x4 minus f of x3 divided by x4 minus x3, comes out as 310. F of x4, x5 is equal to f of x5 minus f of x4 divided by x5 minus x4, 13 minus 11, comes out as 409. Second order divided differences, f of x0, x1, x2 is equal to f of x1, x2 minus f of x0, x1 divided by x2 minus x0, comes out as 15. F of x1, x2, x3 is equal to f of x2, x3 minus f of x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x1, 10 minus 5, that comes out as 21. F of x2, x3, x4 is equal to f of x3, x4 minus f of x2, x3 divided by x4 minus x3. 310 minus 202 divided by 11 minus 7, 27. F of x3, x4, x5 is equal to f of x4, x5 minus f of x3, x4 divided by x5 minus x3. 409 minus 310 divided by 13 minus 10, comes out as 33. Third order divided differences. F of x0, x1, x2, x3 is equal to f of x1, x2, x3 minus f of x0, x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x0. 21 minus 15 divided by, okay, 10 minus 4, that comes out as 1. F of x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to 27 minus 21 divided by x4 minus x1. 11 minus 5, okay, it also comes out as 1. F of x2, x3, x4, x5 is equal to 33 minus 27 divided by x5 minus x2, 13 minus 7. It also comes out as 1. All the third order divided differences comes out as 1. Okay, no need to find the fourth order divided differences. And Newton's divided difference formula is if f of x is equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0, x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0, x1, x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3. Substitute the values. F of x0 48 plus x minus x0 is 4 into f of x0, x1 is 52 plus x minus x0 is 4 plus into x minus x1 is 5 into f of x0, x1, x2 is 15 plus x minus x0, x minus 4 into x minus x1, x minus 5 into x minus x2, x minus 7 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3 is 1 it is. 48 plus 52x minus 52 into 4, 208 plus 15 have written as it is. X minus 4 into x minus 5 is x square minus 9x plus 20 plus x minus 4 I kept as it is. X minus 5 into x minus 7 is x square minus 12x plus 35. 48 plus 52x minus 208 plus 15x square minus 15 9s are 135x plus 15 2s are 15 into 20 is 300 plus x into x square is x cube minus x into 12 x is 12x square plus x into 35 is 35x minus 4x square plus 12 4s are 48x. Okay, minus 4 into 35 is minus 140. Okay. On simplification, it comes out as x cube minus 6 square. Okay, here they asked you to find f of 8 and f of 15. Directly you can find, or else find the polynomial, and from the polynomial we can find out the f of 8 and f of 15 it is. Okay, 8 f of 8, substitute x is equal to 8. 8 cube minus 8 square, it comes out as 448. f of 15, 15 cube minus 15 square comes out as 3150. I hope you understand how to do the problems on Newton's divided difference formula. Okay. In the next video, we'll see the Lagrange's interpolation formula.